Question and then your question.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hawa Shafiu Idris and I'm a student. My question is, in Nigeria we have different sects, like we have the Shia, the Sunni and the Tariqa and whatever. So my question here to the Sheikh is, what do you have to say about it? Because this is one of the major areas where the non-Muslims attack us in this country. That they say, if Islam is one, why do you have so many sects or Islamic groups?
Sisters asked the question, she's asked the question out of the topic. The topic is not on sects, but since it's the first question, I'll reply. Sisters asked the question that we have Shia, we have Sunni, we have Tariqa. Why are there so many sects? How do you reply to the non-Muslim? There's only one religion. And the only right religion is Islam. And the only way is the way of Prophet. If you read the Quran, there is no Shia Sunni mentioned in the Quran, there is no Tariqa in the Quran. Quran says, Qala innani minal muslimin, say that you're a Muslim. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Imran chapter 3 verse number 103, وَاتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. The rope of Allah is the glorious Quran. So you hold to the glorious Quran and the Sahih Hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and be not divided. Allah clearly says in the Quran in Surah Anam chapter 6 verse number 159 that do not make sects in the religion of Islam. O Prophet, anyone who makes sects have nothing to do with him. So making sects in the religion of Islam is haram. It is prohibited. What was the beloved Prophet? Was he Shia? Was he Sunni? Was he Tariqa? He was a Muslim. And I start my talk by quoting a verse of the Quran from Surah Imran chapter 3 verse number 64, which ends by saying that Qala innani minal muslimin. Say that I'm a Muslim. It doesn't say I'm a Shia or say I'm a Sunni. Say I'm a Muslim. What you have to follow is the Quran and the Sahih Hadith. Anything matches with the Quran and the authentic Hadith of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you follow it. Whatever goes against, you reject it. You have to call yourself Muslim, first a Muslim and last a Muslim. Hope that answers the question.
Sister.